welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. Guys, today I'm going to make a refreshing celery juice and I want to show you. Guys, so this is the celery I'm going to use. I already washed it and everything, and then I'm going to use 2 pegs of ginger. You know, I'm going to use some sugar. It's up to you if you want to use the sugar or not. All right, I already have some celery in my blender and I have some cold water here. Okay, so now I'm going to start to blend. All right. So guys, I want enough water to blend my celery.
Hey guys, check out the rest of my mom's refreshing drinks. Ta-da! Our homemade watermelon juice, ready to enjoy.
So you definitely need a strainer to strain it. Okay, you want it nice and strained, okay? Look at that. That looks so good, guys. Look at that. Okay guys, so now we're gonna make a second batch, okay? Fine. You will definitely want to use a fine strainer. It's better for you. You know, get all the juice out. Alright, so I'm gonna empty this and do it again. So I'm gonna strain it again the second time. Okay. Alright, so guys, that's my baby girl. She's in the video. So now you can see she in the video, guys. So now this is the second time I'm straining it. Alright. So you get everything out of it. Okay? Alright, so now we're gonna mix. We're gonna mix it up with some sugar. We're gonna add some sugar. Alright, so that's the sugar.
Little by little.
That's not little by little, stirring. So my baby girl is stirring it for me. That's not little by little, girl.
Mommy, if you do little by little, it can taste better.
Oh yeah, better?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna let you taste it to see if it's gonna taste better. Alright?
There you go.
Alright.
A little bit more.
Mix, 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 mix. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Mix, 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 mix. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Guys, I'm gonna pour it in my cup and then let you taste it and see. Dana, how it tastes? Can you be the first taste lady? Tastes good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think so?
I think it needs a little more mixing.
Yeah? You
Yeah.
think so?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. She said it needs a little more mixing, so let's she mix. Bear with her a minute. Dana's gonna be the tester girl. Okay, Dana? You already tasted, Dana. But with the ice, tell me how it tastes.
Okay.
Guys, you know kids always be honest. Not that way. Dana, with the straw. Come on, Dana. Yeah, just like that, Mama. Alright, how it tastes? It has to taste good. I see you drinking
It
it.
tastes like water.
It does?
Yeah, taste it.
So what do you think? You think it want more sugar? What do you think?
I need to add more sugar.
Really? Well, I don't think I need to add any more sugar.
I think we do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So let me taste. Then I think it tastes pretty good. It don't need no more sugar. It tastes delicious. Very refreshing, guys. And this drink, guys, is very healthy. very healthy. But you know, kids, guys, they love everything sweet. All right, my kids not gonna love this. You know, I love this. My husband will love this, but my kids, they're not gonna love this. Their babies. The oldest one, maybe, you know, but you know, the baby's not gonna like this. What do you think about this, Judy? Guys, I don't think you don't like it. But anyway, guys,
I actually liked it, Mommy.
You do?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll see. But anyway, guys, so watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe if you like, leave me a comment, alright, and share if you like. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.